With that, shifting our focus now to a deadly fire that broke out in Kolkata's Wow Momo warehouse. The death toll in the devastating Kolkata warehouse fire has climbed to 21 as rescue operations continue for the fourth straight day in Anandpur. Now, cranes and gas cutters remain deployed while families anxiously search for people who are still reported to be missing. The blaze, remember, broke out in the early hours of January 26th at a warehouse complex that housed a Wow Momo godown, where workers were sleeping inside. The tragedy, in fact, has now snowballed into a political flashpoint where the leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, has accused the Trinamool Congress of grave negligence, demanding accountability and enhanced compensation. The BJP has also raised a string of demands, calling for a fair and transparent probe into the tragedy, with rupees 50 lakh being announced as ex gratia for the families of the deceased. Now, the Congress has also jumped in and trained its guns on the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, alleging apathy towards victims as questions mount over arrests and responsibility being pinned. Now, the Trinamool Congress, however, has pushed back at the same time, maintaining that the blaze was an accident that had taken place.
Because LOP is coming, because BJP MLAs are coming, they have to be stopped. The true picture, why this happened, it will come to the forefront because all the media is with us. So that is the reason when Shujit Bose, the fire minister, comes after 36 hours of the accident, there is no 163. When Firhad Hakim comes, there is no 163. When Arup Biswas comes, there is no 163. But when LOP comes, Shubhendu Adhikari with his team of MLAs, then of course we need to stop them.
I have received reports about that. I will study that, and certainly if need be, I'll go there. Depends on the circumstances, My visit should be able to pacify the people, calm them down.
ममता बनर्जी की एक मिनट के लिए समय नहीं मिली कि उस जगह को जाकर क्या हुआ या नहीं हुआ ये जायजा लेने के लिए उनके पास वक्त नहीं थी। उनके पास ये मृतक परिवारों के साथ मिलने के लिए और उन्हीं लोगों को सांत्वना देने के लिए एक मिनट की वक्त नहीं बची। और कहाँ वो चले गए अजित पवार की साजिश के बारे में, कहीं चले जाते हैं दिल्ली में